Well, I let the glue dry, and when I tried to turn both 2x6x8s over, one of the boards sort of fell and ripped the LED strip perfectly in the right spot. So basically I cut it, or I stripped away the plastic material that covers it, I'll show you here, and soldered on some wires, some jumper leads, and that's that. So now I have lights for the top rack. My plan is to put one on each of the shelves. So there's one here, put another one here, another one here, another one here. I may play with the different colors, like I think this is daylight. I think the ones over the guppy tanks are not daylight, they're more blue. Maybe see how that does. I mean, those plants are growing fine, of course. It's just Anacharis and Java moss in there, and they'll grow in the dark almost, so no big deal, right? So that's what we got done. Here's the Y that I was showing you yesterday, which you haven't seen yet, and it just plugs in down here. Off, on. And that's the power supply I'm using. It's from an old HP laptop. It's ginormous, but hey, it does the job. Oh, garbage. Alright, so that's my do-it-yourself lights for my shelves. LEDs are the way to go, kids. Very low power usage. Seems to light up the tanks fine for now. And looks good. Alright, next we'll be finishing the outlets up there. You can see I have that outlet and then wire coming out of it. I'm gonna put another outlet up here, and then I'm gonna hang two strips, one over there and one over here. I think there's 8 or 12 outlets in it. Get them at Harbor Freight. They're 25 bucks. They always have a 20% off coupon, which makes them 20 bucks. So not bad. They're pretty sturdy. I've already used one in behind one of my show tanks to neaten up the cord. So that's that. So I think the next project, like I said, will be finishing off the electric. And then I ordered from Gemco 24 bulkheads and some tubing. And I ordered from Amazon glass drill bits. So I may do a video on me trying to drill tanks. Excuse me. But that probably won't be till this weekend. So the plan is to run a drain for the top, a drain for the bottom, or the middle rack, and a drain for the bottom rack. My problem is the bottom rack is so low, I don't know how I'm going to get the water into my sump, which is going to be in this general area. I was going to use a 100-gallon horse trough, but I have an extra 55 tank that's tempered, so I can't drill it. So I may use that. My plan was to use a trickle filter for the first compartment, fill the rest with lava rock, just so there's a ton of beneficial bacteria for everything. And then in each tank are going to be sponge filters anyway. I have these do-it-yourself moving bed filters that you can see here in my Angel tanks. I have this one, which is a 2-liter bottle on top of a sponge filter. I mean, that's probably enough K1 in there to filter, I don't know, 75, 80 gallons, and this is only a 45. Oh, say hi, fishies. Look, they're all looking. They think they're gonna get fed. You know, I got these designs. The one in the back, so you can see that, just has some PVC glued to that bottle with an airline, which is really the same design as this one, except I have some pinky floss, you know, just to clean up some debris. And we have this simple one, just an airline going in the bottom. Well, there's some more angels, some marbles. Looks like there's some orange in them, but There's another do-it-yourself sponge filter. I bought the filter, I think it was $3 or $4. The tile was 78 cents at Lowe's. You know, what is that? 15 cents worth of 3/4 inch PVC, which actually was extra. So we have that filter. We have these two K1 filters. We have that sponge filter right there. And then you can see there's a hang on the back Whisper power filter from 1912. But I think that's just filled with, yeah, it's got lava rock and some other media in there. You know, can never over filter, and this way when I start new tanks, boom, I just take some filter material from there. That one's just a sponge filter. This one was, I think, my second design, which just has some coarse sponge, and the K1 isn't actually moving that fast, but it's okay. I don't know what that brown stuff is in there. I don't know if that's food or poop or something. Anyway, that's enough rambling for tonight. So video 2 or 3 of the fish room. Alright guys, take it easy.